Hey everybody, a quick tip here from the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. With the winter months coming up, that means there's going to be a lot of rain or maybe snow in your area, so I wanted to show you a way to make it easier for your glass to sheet off water, which means you don't have to use your windshield wipers as much, and it also makes it harder for things to stick to the surface. Now, as you see here, we've got a little bit of a 50-50 going on because we've already cleaned the glass, or at least this half of the glass, using streak-free window cleaner, and that safely removes any abrasive particles of dust or dirt or anything like bird droppings, while also reviving your clarity. And now that the glass is nice and clean and dry, we're going to apply HydroSlick. Now what HydroSlick is a ceramic coating that's as easy to apply as a wax. All you have to do is simply shake up the bottle and then apply it to your applicator pad. We'll just do a couple dots because we're only working on half the glass just to show you guys the before and after. It's very easy to use. We'll start by blotching it out. And just like I said, you're applying wax, you're going to spread it out and then cover the entire surface that you're protecting. We'll do half and half here just to show you what it looks like. And again, this is going to make it harder for things to stick to the surface because now you're going to have a super smooth surface because of the leveling agents that are in HydroSlick. This makes it harder for water or dirt or snow or anything to stick to the glass, which helps to improve clarity and also makes your car look its best for as long as possible. Now obviously you can put this on the painted surfaces, but if you weren't aware or if you didn't know, you can also put this on your glass, your plastics such as your headlights and taillights, and your gloss finished wheels to give it all that same level of protection as well as enhancing some of that gloss. Now we're going to wipe it off because this only takes a couple minutes for it to actually bond to the surface. So we're using a clean microfiber towel, and we've designated blue for our exterior jobs. And by applying a fine coat or a thin coat, it comes off very easily without having to really scrub or wipe hard on the surface. And this comes in handy when you're working on painted surfaces because we all know that can scratch very easily, but again, glass can scratch just as easily as paint does. So if you don't have to scrub or wipe very hard, it's best so that you don't add any new imperfections. And now the glass feels very smooth because again, the leveling agents in HydroSlick give you an even finish. And again, this is going to make it difficult for water droplets or anything to cling to the surface, which again will make it easier for you guys who have to drive in the harsher elements. So guys, if you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for future videos. We hope that you guys have a very safe and blessed holiday season, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.